Okay, everyone, you're going to keep me honest here on YouTube. Jimmy here again. So I had to clean my shop, which I'm not really good at cleaning the shop, but maybe this isn't as clean as you have it. I've got a few more things to do, but definitely I can walk on the floor. You may have seen it in the background on the Honda generator video. Anyway, I'm going to make a stand for the Honda generator so that I can see if it'll fit inside the space that I've opened up in the Arctic Fox camper. And I'm going to do that by taking some plywood and making a box, simplest, fastest way to do it that I know of, using the material I have. And then I will put it on a cart that I already have built, a little dolly, four-wheel little cart thing to roll it around. And that's how it goes. I'll do my best to keep the shop clean. I feel like you people on YouTube are going to keep me an honest guy. Okay, everyone, I'm building the box on this dolly that I've already had made before. I'm just going to make use of it. I'm just doing a simple box. I cut sides at 13 1/4 inches tall, so there'll be 14 inches tall total to the top. I'm going to set 3/4 on top of this, but I'm going to screw the sides in here. And I'm not working from a set of plans on something that's simple. I'm just laying it out. And I'm going to show you some of the tricks I'm doing to work it. Let's see if this works okay. First off, I don't have a very good tripod, so you have to bear with me. Okay, so I fastened these where they belong. And let's try it. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I think that'll work. The video. We'll give it just a hair's breadth. Okay. So, I screwed these down in this direction, first by just laying one on here by eyeball, and then taking the top that I have here and laying it on this to create a baseline and an inset, because it's actually going to be inset from the edges, maybe 1/4 inch each piece of ply. So once I have the baseline, and these are screwed down, I want to make sure they're parallel and square. So I'm just taking a flat like this, laying the square in here, and as you can see, if I rotate it, I can get it perfectly square. Okay, there, she's touching here, she's touching there. I'm going to screw this one down. And I'm using these Torx Head GRK self-drilling utility screws. We saw them at the hardware store I worked out at. They just go right on in. So there is the beginning 90. We'll reset it here to make sure that this one is set, and let's get it dialed in. Show you a video from above what that looks like. Here's what I'm looking at. That piece of plywood's going to fall. Okay, hold on. Let's try a different piece. Maybe this one's, there we go. So, see, that's what I'm doing. Getting it squared up. Dropping plywood on the floor. I would be done with this by now, except that I'm making a video so you guys can figure out how I do things sometimes. And voila. I'm going to shoot this one in. I figure I'm not trying to be the new Yankee Workshop, so I'm not going to show you a lot of woodworking stuff. You can just figure it out on your own. There you go. One sturdy box on a cart designed to carry the Honda generator. And I think that weighs 157 pounds. It's not light. And yeah, on wheels so I can move it around. Probably not going to be what I work on it on. It will be a little low, but it'll be enough to get it under the camper and lower the camper down onto it, and we're going to test to see if the thing will fit in there in just a few minutes. There it is, the generator on a box, ready to get wheeled over and put underneath there, and then we'll take it from there and see if we can lower it down onto it. Hang tight.